Let A, B, and C be the angles of a right triangle, with A the right angle. Find the measure of angle C when the measure of angle B has the following values. So for letter A, your angle B is equal to 34. B, your angle B is equal to 60. And C, 30. And lastly, 45. So we'll write, or we will draw the triangle here. So this is your angle A, that is 90 degrees. Say this is our angle B, and this is our angle C. So from the theorem that the sum of the two angles aside from the right angle is equal to 90 degrees. So the measure of angle B plus the measure of angle C is equal to, their total is equal to 90 degrees. We can write that the measure of angle C is equal to 90 degrees minus the measure of angle B. So whatever the value of this angle B from here. So we will solve this one. So the measure of angle C from letter A when your angle B is 34 degrees is equal to 90 minus 34 is 56. Letter B, when your angle B is 60 degrees, so the measure of your angle C when your angle B is 60 degrees. So 90 minus 30 is, 60 is 30 degrees. Letter C, when angle B is equal to 30 degrees. So angle C is equal to 90 minus 30 is equal to 60 degrees. And lastly, when it's equal to 45, when your angle B is 45, so 90 minus 45 is equal to 45 degrees. So these are the answer for this exercise. Thank you.